In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add donation alerts to your Streamlabs. Go ahead and open your Streamlabs desktop and select the scene in which scene you want to add donation alert. Now click on this plus icon next to sources to create a new source, and here select alert box and then click on add source. And here we have to enable this option, add a new source instead, and here I'm typing donation alerts and clicking on add source. And now from this alerts list, I have to uncheck all of these alerts without donation. So just check only donation. Now to see your donation alerts preview, click on this play alert and we can see the donation preview. Now it's time to customize these alerts. So from here you can change the image and you can change the alert donation layout just like this, and we can see the sound section here. From here you can just replace the sound. You can adjust your alert sound volume from here, and you can change the message template from here. And we can see the animation section from here, adjust animation from here, customize your text font, then just click on close, and here we can see the donation alerts widget. Now you can just go ahead and resize or reposition the donation alert widget just like this. And now go to your browser and go to Streamlabs. After signing to your Streamlabs account, click on dashboard. From your dashboard, click on your profile photo and go to account settings, and under account settings select platforms, and here you have to connect your accounts for receive donation. For example, I want to add my Twitch account donation alerts to my Streamlabs, so I have to connect my Twitch account with Streamlabs. I already connected, so that's how. Go ahead and connect your account, and now on, whenever I receive any donation on my Twitch, on my Kick account, the donation alert will be shown on my Streamlabs. To send test donation alerts, you have to double click on the alert, and here next to donation click on play alert and click on close, and here we can see the donation alert preview showing.